Hello learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some new things from the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Starting with overview of the book. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind has been a bestseller since its first publication in 1963, selling many millions of copies since its original publication. It is one of the most brilliant and beloved spiritual self-help works of all time, which can help you heal yourself, banish your fears, sleep better, enjoy better relationships and just feel happier. The techniques are simple and results come quickly. You can improve your relationships, your finances, your physical well-being. Dr. Joseph Murphy explains that life events are actually the result of the workings of your conscious and subconscious minds. He suggests practical techniques through which one can change one's destiny, principally by focusing and redirecting this miraculous energy. Years of research studying the world's major religions convinced him that some great power lay behind all spiritual life and that this power is within each of us. The power of your subconscious mind will open a world of success, happiness, prosperity, and peace for you. Chapter 1, What is Subconscious Mind? Have you ever read that humans only use a portion of their brains? Well, this is most of all, because of the subconscious mind. Scientists have never really studied it in depth and we still do not know enough about it. But we do know that it could run and control almost everything we do. For example, when you meditate and you start controlling your breath, you get the control from the subconscious mind and give it to your conscious mind. You start breathing deep and with your stomach. Then you stop to control it and your subconscious starts doing it. You do not have to think about it anymore. Your breathing will continue to be relaxed until another stimulus changes it, stress for example. Everything is controlled in the back of your head. Another example of the tasks of the subconscious mind is the information coming from the senses. Your brain is bombarded with hundreds of MB per second of information. It would explode if it had to review and process everything. This is why you have a barrier in between, the subconscious mind. It processes everything and it would only pass this information which is relevant for you in this very moment. Chapter 2, The Wild Monkey. The best comparison of the subconscious mind is to a wild monkey. It can run rampage the whole day as it does not tire easily. And it can bring random pieces of information to the main part of the brain. Or it could make itself busy with achieving your goals and bringing you the information that you need to succeed, opportunities. The only thing you have to do is to give this wild monkey a purpose. Chapter 3, Communicating to your subconscious mind. Communicating thoughts from your conscious mind to your subconscious mind is difficult because it should be done with emotions. Only the thoughts that are conveyed with genuine emotions make it to the back of your mind. And only the thoughts that are backed up by a strong emotion stay there. Unfortunately, this is true both for the negative and the positive emotions. And also unfortunately, the negative emotions are usually stronger than the positive ones. Chapter 4, Fear and Negative Self-Talk. Your first step in harnessing the power of the subconscious mind is to eliminate the thoughts loaded with negative emotions. You also need to stop the negative self-talk or at least make sure that it is not loaded with emotions. Your fears often tend to come true, especially when you are very emotional about them. And this is why negative self-talk could produce such harmful effects. Eliminating these negative thoughts, or countering them as soon as possible is a very important step towards success. There is a story about the guardian angel that always follows you. When you say to yourself my life is awful, it writes down awful life. When you say my job is boring, it writes down boring job. And when you say my body is ugly, it writes down ugly body. And then it goes on and grants you all those wishes, because they are filled with strong emotions, sadness, disappointment, regret, self-loathing. That angel is your subconscious mind. Stop here and ask yourself, you can afford letting negative self-talk enter your mind? Chapter 5, The Countering Technique. One of the best practices in reducing negative self-talk is the counter technique. Every time a negative thought comes to your mind, you counter it with the extreme positive counter thought. For example, if you have an important presentation and you think to yourself, I'm going to embarrass myself in front of all those people, immediately counter it with, no. I am going to be so good that the audience will applaud me for 5 minutes. The truth will often be somewhere in between. Chapter 6, the delete button technique. Another power tool in countering the negative self-talk is the delete button. When a negative thought enters your mind, you press the delete button in your mind and image how the thought, written on a piece of paper, is destroyed. Or you can picture in your mind that you are smashing the negative thought with your fist. Chapter 7, Burning Desire. Your subconscious mind will also act on thoughts that are conveyed with desire. Powered by desire, your subconscious mind will do anything in order to obtain the object of the desire. It would also open all available channels to the conscious mind for information on how to do that. When your goal becomes the consuming obsession of your life and you have the burning desire to see it come true, then you will be successful. The best athletes become the best only because of their burning desire to be number one. There is nothing else that they want from life, except this. This is the dominating dream of their life. They are willing to do what it takes to achieve it, stay late after the training session and practice their skills more. Do what it takes to expand their skill set and become better than the rest. Set their subconscious mind to look for opportunities to achieve their goals. Chapter 8, How can you cultivate burning desire? Start with defining your goal. Make it as specific as possible. Make it as realistic as possible. Write it down somewhere and feel it. Chapter 9, The Bridge Burning Technique. Then, burn your bridges. Destroy any safe boats that you might keep just in case something messes up. Our mind has evolved to help us survive, and it is then when it achieves the best results. By burning the bridges, you set your mind in survival mode, and the only way left is way ahead, towards the goal. Chapter 10, Faith and Love. The most powerful, positive emotions are faith, love and sex. The first two are more spiritual, the last one is more biological. When all of them are present, they empower any thought and it can easily enter the subconscious mind. Then, it will act on the thought and will translate it into actions, opportunities and ideas. Faith is a state of mind, which may be induced, or created, by affirmation or repeated instructions to the subconscious mind, through the principle of autosuggestion. Chapter 11, The Visualization Technique. And the next step towards achieving your goal is to visualize it. It is based on having faith in the outcome. Not hoping that the desired outcome will be true, but believing that it is already true. One of the most powerful techniques is visualizing your life when your desire is already fulfilled. Set aside several minutes a day to close your eyes and imagine your life after you have achieved your goal. Chapter 12, The Physical Preparation Technique. Another tool is a physical preparation. If you want to be famous, then start wearing those brackets to fix your teeth now. And if you want a romantic relationship, buy an extra toothbrush and put it in your bathroom. Chapter 13, The Detachment Technique. And last but not least, let go of your attachment to outcomes. You can never plan how exactly your desire will manifest itself. Do not narrow down on the options that you have at the moment, but rather adopt an open mind, and have faith in the unfolding of your dreams. Now guys, if you want to buy this book, then link of the book is in description. That's all for today, learners. Mention in comments the point you liked most, and, if you liked our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learnings in future. Till then, see you all soon with another amazing book.